My name is Imani. And we no, we
we will be doing a little bit. Comments down below and make sure you subscribe.
don't change. Okay, so I'm doing a slime review of Chastity's. I know the camera is different, you guys. Go change. I know the camera is
Looking
different.
at your underwear.
No, they're not.
Why is it facing the thing?
No, it's facing this way.
Oh, I thought it was facing your thing. Yeah. Guys, we're not going to say that word on it because it's appropriate. But I feel like... Oh, that big old boot.
This slime is okay. It's butter slime. I really don't think it's butter slime.
It's sticky and it's... I just saw your underwear again.
Oh, Chastity, this is YouTube. Okay, guys, this is a slime. It's really sticky. So the next slime, I'll put it in a bowl and stuff.
So I can get out of the bathroom.
Huh?
Let me know if any of them need to use it. Or you need to ask them right now. So
They just use the bathroom.
they do it. Okay.
So we have this slime. It's flapper container. Just showed it, you guys. So next is this slime. I don't like this slime personally because it's sticky. It's not the best slime. It's just okay slime. So
Yeah, it's like an apple in the throat. Down. Make your baby up. Make your baby up. Okay.
I just got a little piece, you guys. So I don't like this slime a lot. It's okay. I think it's kind of butter slime. I don't know. Actually, when she get back, it's not the best. It's okay slime, you guys. Okay. When I picked this up, all of the glitter was at the bottom. All the glitter was at the bottom. Put it back in the container. All the glitter was at the bottom of the thing. I don't know how she manages to put this in there because the container is too little. I think she had a lot of that slime, but oh well, because it's so sticky. Both. I don't know what the container is for this one. Where's the container?
You're playing doctor?
The bullets are playing doctor. Where is the cat? I'll find the cat for you guys. Okay. So this slime is a full slime. She just stuffed it in there. So guys, you guys, it's not the best. It is not the best. But I kind of like the slime too.
Well, you guys have fun playing. Guys are into the room. Okay, well, you should never took that out because it's going to be hard to put back in.
I'll manage it. So you guys, I like this slime kind of. It's still sticky like the other two, like I just showed. Is this better slime too? No. This is regular slime, you guys. Did you put lotion in it?
I'm going to try to get some baby oil probably like in 2 weeks or something to make my slime soft. When you like pluck it, it hurts because like if you like go all the way down.
Okay guys, I'm gonna stop this video here because the slime is sticky
Right.
I hope you liked this video. If you did, smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, leave a comment down below, and basically turn on that bell notifications every time you post a new video. Every time we post a new video. And I know a lot of people's watching this channel because we got like a lot of views and stuff. So all those views out here, subscribe. Bye.